Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 35. The great battalion commanders will think that you have withdrawn from the battle through fear, and you will be looked down upon by those who had thought much of you and your heroism in the past.
Chapter 2, Shloka 35. Bhayadranat uparatam mamsyante tvam maharathaha yeshanchatvam bahumatah bhutva yasyasi laghavam.
Chapter 2, Shloka 35. Lord Krishna is trying to get Arjuna out of his delusion and grief. He is trying all the means possible. He gives him the highest knowledge of the self. He presents him with arguments from the materialist's standpoint that everything is changing and so to sport with the change. He reminds and tries to convince him that as a Kshatriya, his Swadharma was to fight. That he is an Aryan, the fight is for a righteous cause. That destiny has provided him this opportunity to live his Swadharma and discover his Dharma, his true identity. He draws a mental picture of what will happen if he didn't fight. By not fighting, he will incur sin. How he will feel for the rest of his life. How the common man will view him. Krishna hopes that seeing this gloomy picture, Arjuna will change his mind and fight. Continuing the arguments from the common man's point of view, in this shloka, Krishna tells Arjuna that your friends, colleagues, and other battalion commanders and teachers who know your skills, courage, valor, and strength will think that you have withdrawn from the battle through fear, and you will be looked down upon by them who thought much of you and your heroism in the past. When you are with people around you, they will laugh at you. Whenever you see people laughing, you will feel that they are laughing at you. This guilt will not leave you. It will be with you all the time. Whatever reasons you may have in your mind for not fighting, but others see you as a hero and would not like to see you as a coward who ran away from battle. Even free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.